Our adventure for today is going to take you to Palm Springs.
It's our blessed adventure. It's our blessed adventure.
Look at the beautiful view of the mountains with the snow cap on it. And here we are, and it's probably in the 60s, supposed to be 70 degrees today. So we'll take you along as we explore some of Palm Springs. One of our first stops for today is going to be to the Palm Springs Visitor Center. Gained a little information and see what we can find out.
Greetings again from Palm Springs, California. We're going to go check it out somewhere we want to come. So, I love the colors.
We just want to welcome you all to Palm Springs. Population 42,509 and the elevation of 475 feet. Since the population is, here we go.
The elevation.
All right, here we go. Since the elevation is so high here in Palm Springs, we might need some of this. Boost oxygen. I don't think so. I think we're good. Also, you can take a stroll through downtown to some of the restaurants and shops here in Palm Springs. We're going to give you a look of the downtown of Palm Springs as we drive you through and give you a chance to look at some of the shops that are located in the center of downtown. And as we said, this is the hot and cold of Palm Springs. So the first part of the video, we're showing you the hot of Palm Springs, which is why people come to Palm Springs, is to enjoy the warm climates that occur here in this area. And it's a destination that a lot of people come to get away from the cold, especially if they're from a cold state. So this is a look of the hot of Palm Springs as we cruise through downtown to give you a look. A big part of Palm Springs is Palm Springs architecture. They have a throwback look in their architecture and some pretty, interesting designs. Also, one of the things that they have going on just on the outskirts of Palm Springs is a huge windmill project that they have going on. So we also cruised by there, and that's one of the top things they say to do when you're in the area is go out and take some pictures by the windmills. As we cruise through Palm Springs, we're going to give you a look at some of the beautiful architecture and homes that fill the Palm Springs residence area. Some unique designs, and Palm Springs was also a destination where a lot of movie stars and actors and actresses lived, and a lot of people with lots of money moved there way back in the early days of Palm Springs. And so they keep that early day look. They have homes called butterfly homes that you see here with this roof setting there. Another one kind of there, and you see the kind of neat doors painted different bright colors, beautiful landscaping, and that's what is the draw that people look at. Here you see the Sinatra residence. So this residence across the street here with the gate is the home that Frank Sinatra used to live in. You can see a plaque on the front over there, but since it is somebody's residence, I'm not going to walk up that close and and get the video. So when you're visiting Palm Springs, and after you've been to the shops, got you something to eat at a restaurant, and you need a place to stay, I think you'll always be welcome at the Hotel California. So this is the old Hotel California here in Palm Springs. They said it's one of the places that you should stop by and see. But they have a pretty cool place across the street too. The Clemente Tropics. It reminds me of a place back home called the Tahiti. And look at those palm trees, how they're groomed and shaped with the leaves after the leaves have grown old on them. They have them all through town like that. Pretty cool. So, welcome to Hotel California. What'd you say? What'd you say?
Oh, you gotta take a picture.
And if for some reason you're not welcome at the Hotel California, they'll probably welcome you here at the Saguaro Hotel. It's one of the most colorful and photographed hotels here in Palm Springs. As you can see, all the different colors located down the side of the hotel. Pretty cool. See the colors all the way down here, and we'll take you around to the front. What do you think, honey?
I love it.
Looks like they even have purple rugs. If you knew what it took to get all these pictures and videos, you would laugh. We've driven back and forth across town several times. We've made, I don't know how many U-turns to get photos for the women. It's funny. We have a lot of fun, but we hope you enjoy it as well. Beautiful set of bushes out here along the edge of the property. But pretty cool. These look like azalea bushes. Very beautiful. And this is the dead of winter. And look at their cool van. And look at the cool awning. This is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Take a little peek in the lobby. Let you check it out. Awesome. This place is pretty cool. Look at the unique furniture.
Yeah, correct.
This is a really cool place. Yeah, so we'll take you out, give you a shot from out front so you can kind of get a look at the hotel from the street level. So that's the Saguaro Hotel. Hope you enjoyed it.
Way to end the day.
Yeah, we're ending the day. Instead of a popsicle, we got Dole Whips.
Healthy. Healthy pineapple juice.
So here we are today at the Palm Springs aerial tramway. The toughest part so far has been walking up through the parking lot. Guy said it was a steep drive, but the drive wasn't steep, but the parking lot is. So here's the facility. They get you your exercise before you get there. Make you go up all these stairs as well. So they figure if you're coming here to hike, they warm you up. Came out here outside the tram station. Oh, dropping stuff all over the place. Put this up here and have this beautiful waterfall that runs down the wall here, and then they tell you to watch out for rattlesnakes. Guess this is Johnson Falls. This goes around. You have a patio area up there, and then you see the tram line heads up that way. So pretty cool. Yep, here we go. Getting on the tram. Snuggly, snuggly.
All right, folks, don't stop. There's no...
Pretty cool. So we made it up here to the top, and it's 20 degrees, and you see we're bundled up, and you see all the snow. When we go back down and where we came from, it's 70 degrees.
I got California sunglasses on. I got California sunglasses on.
So she's all California'd up. So
California snow.
here's the view from the top. All this snow down here. I don't know if you heard Kim. She said, looks like you need to get on a pair of skis and take off. We hope you enjoyed the look of the hot and the cold of Palm Springs. We enjoyed it and we were glad to take you along, so we hope you enjoyed it as well. Thanks again for watching Noel's Blessed Adventures.